MCT versus ghee. Are you using the wrong fat for your coffee? If you are over 60 and confused about which healthy fat to use for energy, brain power, and weight loss, you are not alone. MCT oil and ghee are both praised as superfats, but they work very differently in your body. One gives you rapid energy, but might upset your stomach. The other is gentler, tastes better, but works more slowly. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which one is right for you, how to use each one properly, and the biggest mistake people make when they start using these fats that leads to digestive disasters. The title of this video is MCT versus ghee, which fat works better? Before we dive deep into comparing these two powerful fats, I would love to know where you are watching this video from. Please leave a comment below telling me your city and country. It helps me understand my audience better and create content that serves you best. Now, let me explain what MCT oil actually is, because most people have heard of it but do not really understand it. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. These are special fats that your body processes differently than regular fats. MCT oil comes from coconut oil or palm kernel oil. The most common types are C8 and C10. C8 is called caprylic acid, and C10 is called capric acid. These numbers refer to the length of the carbon chain in the fat molecule. The shorter the chain, the faster your body converts it into energy. C8 is the fastest acting MCT oil. When you consume MCT oil, your liver converts it into ketones within minutes. Ketones are an alternative fuel source for your brain and body. This is why many people feel a mental boost, increased focus, and steady energy after taking MCT oil. Now let me explain ghee. Ghee is clarified butter that has been used in Indian cooking and medicine for thousands of years. When you make ghee, you heat butter slowly until the milk solids separate and you remove them. What remains is pure butter fat. Ghee is rich in fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K2. It also contains butyrate, which is a short-chain fatty acid that supports gut health and reduces inflammation in your digestive system. Ghee has a high smoke point, which means you can cook with it at high temperatures without creating harmful compounds. It also tastes rich, buttery, and delicious. So which one should you choose? Let me break down the benefits of each fat so you can make an informed decision. MCT oil is your best choice if you want rapid energy and mental clarity. If you are doing intermittent fasting, MCT oil is excellent to add to your morning coffee because it gives you energy without breaking your fast. It does not spike your insulin levels. MCT oil also helps with weight loss because it increases your metabolic rate and helps your body burn fat for fuel instead of storing it. Studies show that MCT oil can help reduce body weight and waist circumference when used consistently. MCT oil is also great for people who want to improve their cognitive function. The ketones produced from MCT oil cross the blood-brain barrier easily and provide clean fuel for your brain cells. Many people notice improved focus, better memory, and mental sharpness within 30 minutes of taking MCT oil. However, MCT oil has some downsides. The biggest issue is digestive upset. If you take too much MCT oil too quickly, you will experience what people call the pyruvate effect. This means loose stools, stomach cramps, and urgent bathroom trips. This happens because MCT oil draws water into your intestines and speeds up digestion. To avoid this problem, you must start with a very small amount. I recommend starting with only half a teaspoon of MCT oil mixed into your coffee or smoothie. Give your body 3 to 5 days to adjust. Then you can slowly increase to 1 teaspoon. After another week, you can try 1 tablespoon. Most people do well with 1 to 2 tablespoons per day once their body adapts. Never take more than 2 tablespoons at one time, or you will likely experience digestive distress. Now let me talk about the benefits of ghee. Ghee is your best choice if you want a fat that is gentle on your digestive system, tastes delicious, and provides steady, long-lasting energy. Unlike MCT oil, ghee does not cause the pyruvate effect. You can use ghee generously without worrying about digestive upset. Ghee contains butyrate, which actually heals your gut lining and reduces inflammation throughout your body. This makes ghee especially beneficial for people with digestive issues, leaky gut, or inflammatory conditions. Ghee is also rich in conjugated linoleic acid, which studies show may help reduce body fat and support healthy cholesterol levels. The fat-soluble vitamins in ghee support your immune system, bone health, and eye health. Ghee is also incredibly versatile in cooking. You can use it to saute vegetables, cook eggs, spread on low-carb bread, or add to your coffee for a creamy, rich flavor. Because ghee has a smoke point of around 485 degrees Fahrenheit, you can use it for high-temperature cooking without worrying about creating harmful free radicals. 1 tablespoon of ghee provides about 120 calories and 14 grams of fat. This fat keeps you satisfied and full for hours, which helps prevent snacking and overeating. However, ghee does not provide the same rapid energy boost that MCT oil provides. Ghee is metabolized more slowly through your normal fat digestion pathway. This means it takes longer to convert into energy. If you are looking for an immediate mental boost or quick energy before a workout, ghee will not give you that same fast effect that MCT oil provides. So here is my recommendation based on your goals. If your main goal is rapid energy, mental clarity, and supporting ketosis during intermittent fasting, choose MCT oil. Start with half a teaspoon in your morning coffee and slowly increase the amount over 2 weeks. The best type of MCT oil to buy is pure C8 MCT oil because it converts to ketones the fastest. Look for a brand that is 100% C8 caprylic acid with no fillers or additives. Make sure it comes in a dark glass bottle to protect the oil from light damage. If your main goal is gut health, reducing inflammation, cooking with healthy fats, and enjoying delicious food while still losing weight, choose ghee. You can use ghee much more generously than MCT oil. Start with 1 tablespoon per day, and you can safely use up to 3 tablespoons per day depending on your overall fat intake. Look for grass-fed ghee or organic ghee for the highest quality. Grass-fed ghee contains more omega-3 fatty acids and conjugated linoleic acid compared to conventional ghee. But here's the best strategy. You do not have to choose just one. Many people, including myself, use both MCT oil and ghee for different purposes. I use 1 tablespoon of MCT oil in my morning coffee for rapid energy and mental focus. Then I cook my eggs with ghee because it tastes amazing and supports my gut health. This combination gives you the best of both worlds. You get the quick energy from MCT oil, plus the healing and anti-inflammatory benefits from ghee. Now let me share the biggest mistakes people make with these fats. Mistake number 1 is taking too much MCT oil too fast. I cannot stress this enough. If you dump a tablespoon or 2 of MCT oil into your coffee on day 1, you will spend the next few hours in the bathroom. Always start small and increase gradually. Your digestive system needs time to produce the enzymes necessary to handle MCT oil efficiently. Mistake number 2 is buying low-quality products. Many MCT oils on the market are mixed with other cheaper oils or contain only C10 and C12, which are slower acting and less effective. Always read the label carefully. For MCT oil, choose pure C8 or a blend of C8 and C10. Avoid products that contain C12 lauric acid because this acts more like a long chain fat and does not provide the same rapid benefits. For ghee, choose organic grass-fed ghee whenever possible. Conventional ghee from grain-fed cows contains higher amounts of inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids and fewer beneficial nutrients. Mistake number 3 is using these fats while still eating a high carbohydrate diet. If you are eating bread, pasta, rice, and sugar throughout the day, adding MCT oil or ghee will just add extra calories without giving you the full benefits. These fats work best when you're following a lower carbohydrate diet or doing intermittent fasting. When you reduce carbohydrates, your body shifts into a fat burning mode. This is when MCT oil and ghee shine because they provide clean burning fuel for your body. Mistake number 4 is not being consistent. You cannot take MCT oil once or use ghee for a few days and expect dramatic results. Like any health practice, consistency is key. Use these fats daily for at least 4 weeks to see real changes in your energy, mental clarity, and body composition. Let me give you a simple practical guide to get started. For MCT oil, begin with half a teaspoon in your morning coffee or tea. Blend it well using a small blender or frother so it emulsifies nicely. After 5 days, increase to 1 teaspoon. After another week, try 1 tablespoon. Stay at this amount for most people. Only increase to 2 tablespoons if you tolerate 1 tablespoon perfectly with no digestive issues. Take MCT oil in the morning for the best energy boost throughout your day. For ghee, start with 1 tablespoon for cooking your breakfast. Use it to cook eggs, saute vegetables, or spread it on low-carb toast. You can also add ghee to your coffee if you prefer the taste over MCT oil. Some people make what is called bulletproof coffee using both MCT oil and ghee together for a creamy, rich, energy-boosting drink. If you enjoy cooking, replace all your vegetable oils and seed oils with ghee. Use ghee for roasting vegetables, cooking meat, and even baking. Ghee can be used in place of butter or oil in most recipes. Here's what you can expect after using these fats consistently for 1 month. Your energy levels will be more stable throughout the day without the crashes that come from eating carbohydrates and sugar. Your mental clarity and focus will improve, especially if you use MCT oil regularly. Your cravings for sugar and carbs will decrease because fat keeps you satisfied much longer than carbohydrates. You may lose weight, especially around your midsection, because these healthy fats support fat burning and reduce inflammation. Your digestion may improve, especially if you use ghee regularly, because of the gut healing properties of butyrate. Remember, both MCT oil and GHE are powerful tools to support your health after 60. MCT oil gives you speed, energy, and mental sharpness. Ghee gives you tolerance, flavor, and gut healing. Start with small amounts, be consistent, and listen to your body. You can use one, the other, or both, depending on your needs and preferences. The most important thing is to replace unhealthy fats like vegetable oils and margarine with these healing fats. Your body will thank you with better energy, clearer thinking, and improved overall health. Thank you for watching this video about MCT oil versus GHE. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips designed specifically for people over 60. Leave a comment below telling me which fat you're going to try first and where you're watching from. I read every comment and I love hearing from you. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I will see you in the next video.